That's what's up. Alrighty, gang. So we got another one here. Cheap exhaust repair was the best video out of all the videos I made that year, the last year. So I got another one here for you. We got a cheap exhaust repair. This is another part of a car that you don't have to put this piece on every time if you're doing it cheap. Similar to the flange, which I'll show you a flange. Here's a flange on a car. You know, this one's going to be... Oh, it pretty well needs to be done. But anyway, the customer's not here today for this, so we're going to leave that flange. What this piece here is called a flex pipe. Now the flex pipe's real nice because it allows the engine to kind of articulate a bit. See that flexiness? And, you know, whatever. These things can be a lot of money to install, especially if you got to do like a catalyst pipe all the way back. You know, it can cost quite a bit. This one has a catalyst in it, so this pipe itself is probably like $600 or $700. It's got two O2s in it. Usually, you know, here in Canada, you destroy the O2s on the way out, and it's just a friggin' show. So I'm gonna show you how to do this shit on the cheap. So right there, this is a flex pipe. I've cut it out. Bye bye, peace you. Okay, so the car that I'm working on today is a 2000. What? Oh, look at that stuff right there. 2008 or 9. It's a 2009 Toyota Camry. It's got 300,000 on it, and it's got a broken flex pipe, and I'm going to show you how to remove that flex pipe safe, quick, and cheap. Let's do it. Alright, so a few of the tools that I used today to remove that flex pipe I just showed you in that last little clip. Tools to show you. Like, oh, there it is. Here's one. So the first tool I used, they're actually not that expensive. You can probably buy one for 80 bucks. And if you know how to source pipe and stuff from like a Car Request or Car Smart or whatever the hell you got, an auto part, Pet Boys, you can get one of these. Just give me 1 second. One of these right here. This one is made by Mako. I'll have a link in the description. It's the MST80A. You know, I got little North American hands, so it's a pretty small unit. It's not too big. It's got this awesome as can be chain unit. It's got little pizza cutter wheels in there, and the pizza cutter wheels are fabulous at braking when you twist the thing like slightly to the side. The way it works, oh god damn, give me a second. So the way this bad boy works, you got these roly-polies, and they roll on a pipe. I got a little length of pipe here. This is really hard to do with one hand. Just open up my vise here. Put your pipe in there. Ah, it's still really hard to do with one hand. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll edit all that out. That's not important. So here we got a pipe. It's in our vise. It's sturdy. You take this tool here. You just wrap it around. Depending on your size, you install whatever, I'm going to call these cams, whichever cam you need. You squeeze and you rotate, and while you rotate, those little teeth, they kind of act like Michael Jackson. They get a little boogie on, and I shouldn't say that, that's so offside. They kind of act like little die grinders, you know? You just rotate, and eventually you cut through. Again, trying to make a short and simple video. That's solution one to remove the flex pipe. So I've already done that. I'll show you what our cuts look like once that part's been complete. We got this nice clean cut. I bent it a bit there by accident. But a nice clean cut here. Smooth. A second way to get into cutting that pipe stuff up. I got the flash on. Whatever, flash is fine. So you'll come in here. I got these. You know, you can cut it with a big frig off die grinder. You got to be careful using this stuff, especially if there's no guard like that one has. Your hands die quick. You're a soft sponge. Don't try and fight it. You're a soft sponge, not tough as nails. And if you can't do it that way because you're a nervous wreck, where's the blaster? We got this thing here. It's just a reciprocating saw, nothing special. We got a bimetal blade, and man, it can put the work down. I actually use this to just finish up the pipe. Over here you can see I put a little nick in it using that spinny goo goo, and so I just gave it a shot with the you see the blue there. Good stuff. So that's the flex pipe cut. Now I'm going to pre-fit the pipe and everything, make sure I got the right one. I really hope I did. And then I'll show you from there. Take a sec here. All right, here's the things you will need segment of the video. So you're gonna need your magical box that has all different random bits and bobs. That's an old pipe. These are all old random cuts. I always save everything because you never know. I found this. It's a 2 1/4 inch diameter connector. Right there, it's got like a little squishy poo. I don't know words right now. I'm just trying to fly through this. I gotta return the car. So this side of the vehicle, the 2 1/4 outer. So I'm gonna put that on with a nice clamp, some muffler cement, make it nice. And then on this side, it's 2 and 2 1/8 outer diameter. So I got 2 1/8 inner diameter. You know, this pipe fits on great. So we're gonna do our measure up here. I want the pipe to overhang about that much, and I want to cut it like right there. So I'm just gonna hold it like this. I'm actually gonna mark it. I gotta put the camera down for that, but I'm just showing you. I'll mark it. I'm gonna cut it in my vise with my special little tool. So while I was trying to fit this pipe, I've come into a bit of an issue where the rear portion of the exhaust is in the way. So instead of removing all these and risking breaking stuff, I'm gonna do the next stupidest thing. Ah, crap. There we go. No doubt. Is this a 14? Every time. Oh, it's a 1/2 inch. What's this? Too big. Damn, Daniel. Nope. What is this? 7/8? Nope. That means it's this one here. It's a 12 millimeter. Nice. All right, so. Oh. So loosen it, and then tighten it. Loosen it, tighten it. Got him. This one here. Cool. Got him. Alright, so now, ooh, baby! I can do that. And I can put this pipe on all the way. Alright, I gotta put the camera down for this. And I'll show you what our results look like. Alright, so I was able to remove this, drop the exhaust down enough that I slid this pipe on. I'm gonna clamp it right here once I get it all set. And then I'm gonna apply a clamp here, put a little muffler paste in there. I know I'm a cheater, I don't care. Again, on the cheap, this customer, you know, instead of buying a brand new exhaust for their car that they barely even use, they're gonna put some groceries on the counter. And that shit is more important to me, okay? These are cars. As long as they're safe and good, we're good. But what I gotta do now is I just gotta tap this over while prying the exhaust system back to get it to mesh. I'll tighten it all up and you'll hear the results. It'll be a nice quiet car. Regardless, I didn't show you the rest of the repair. The car was quiet. I ended up putting 2 clamps on, and the last one I just put a little bit of weld on to keep from falling off. I'm gonna buy another clamp for it. The customer was cool with me not having everything. I am a home jobber guy. You know, I can't just call the parts store and get them to drop stuff off at 7:30 on a Tuesday afternoon or evening. But she's happy. Car's fixed. Didn't cost her nothing compared to what it would have. The kids got they got the spiral craft dinner tonight instead of just the normal yellow noodles. So anyway, this is pretty much how the videos are going to be off my phone for the next little while until I figure out the camera.